Squad, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see from the title above, today I am filming my TJ Maxx big huge haul, and I call it a huge haul just because I've been going to TJ Maxx a lot now, as you guys have seen from my videos, and I just wanted to show you guys some of the things that I bought because I always show you guys what's there. But I'm gonna show you some stuff that I found. I went actually earlier today and I found some really amazing stuff. Like, I was mind blown, and I went to a different location than what I usually go to, and honestly guys, I was so surprised. Like, such good things. Okay, so let's get into it. And also, by the way guys, as you guys might know, or some of you might know if you follow me on Twitter or Instagram, I am starting back December. I'm gonna write it right here, December. So basically December just requires me to upload videos every single day in December. I know it's like gonna be crazy, but I'm so excited to do it because I love uploading, and especially right now I have a lot of time and I just love uploading, so that's what I'll be doing. Okay, now let's get into the stuff that I bought. Okay, so one of the things that I bought is this set of samples, and it's by Origins. It looks like this. It's by Origins and it's called Bedtime Best. So it's like little samples of like stuff that you can use before going to bed that will improve your skin and stuff like that. So I thought it was really interesting. So basically it comes with a mineral enriched renewal cream. It comes with a frosty face wash. It comes with a retexturizing mask with rose clay, and the one that I'm super excited about is the super spot remover. So those four things come as part of the set, and so the value is actually $90 and I got it for $25.50, which I think is a great deal. Like, what? And you guys know Origins is always super expensive, so it was nice to pick this up. The thing that I found, like, I was like going crazy. I was like, how am I finding all this Origins at TJ Maxx? So basically there's another Origins set that I found, and these are masks, and I'm super excited about this because first of all, it's super cute. It's just tiny. So it comes with the active charcoal mask, and then it comes with the, again, the retexturizing mask with rose clay, and then the overnight mask as well, to quench the skin's thirst, which I think is so awesome. I love using masks for my skin. I think it has definitely helped me improve my skin. So when I saw this, I was just like, okay, I totally have to get this. And this was only $50, and the value for it is usually around, I think, 30 or 40. I wasn't sure. I already took off this thing. Super excited about this. This is called the powder mask mixing bowl, and basically it's also by Origins. So like, literally the TJ Maxx that I went to, I saw a lot of Origins stuff, so I was so excited about it. Yeah, so basically this is a powder mask mixing bowl, and if you guys do masks, you will know what I'm talking about, how helpful this will be. Literally, sometimes you don't have anything to mix it with, you find a cup and then you start mixing your mask in there. But it's so cool because it comes with the bowl, and then it comes with the, like, the stick of it that you mix your mask in. So this is to apply on your face, and then this is the little mixing thing. Wait, was this? No, I think this one was cheaper. I think this was $2 and then this was $4, and then together it was $6. So basically, yeah, $6 for this set. Can you believe that, guys? Isn't that crazy? Like, what? Makeup. So I found these Stay in Place High Cover Concealers by Estee Lauder, and they're really nice shades. I took 2 different shades, one for contouring and then one for just highlighting. One is the Ultra Deep, in the color Ultra Deep, and this one is in the color Deep, which is neutral. Okay, they're both neutral, but yeah, so like they're Estee Lauder products, and so each of these were $12, which is like amazing. So this was $12 and this was also $12, and I thought it was a really good deal, so I got both of them because I need it anyways. And then if you find this at Sephora, I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna find this for $12. First of all, I'm probably gonna find this for like, what, like $30, who knows. More Estee Lauder stuff. This is actually the Estee Edit which is also part of Estee Lauder, as you guys know. So this is actually just a makeup remover, and it has 30 sheets. And I was just like, I might as well get this because I will be going on a trip with my friends for New Year's. So especially when you're packing and stuff like that, it's better to just get like smaller, because I have a big set of makeup remover wipes. But when you're traveling, like, I don't like bringing those big boxes of like makeup remover. So this would be honestly so awesome, just open and close, by Estee Lauder. And this was only $5. So I was like, yeah, obviously I'm just gonna get it. Especially these are pretty expensive. I think they go for like 15 or 18 for a pack like this. It has 30 sheets inside. And yeah, I was like, I'll just get it. To find a MAC lipstick. I'm so excited about this color. It is in the color Last Minute. Okay. And basically it just looks like that. It's a really nice color. It's like a red-ish color. Hopefully it looks nice on my lips because I haven't tried it. But I did like look at the color, and it seems pretty good. It's like a reddish color. And I love MAC. I have a lot of MAC lipsticks, so I was like, okay, let me just add this to my collection, because you guys cannot even guess how much this was. MAC lipstick for $5. Who's leaving that? Who? Me? Nope. Okay. And then I got this. This was also by Origins. See what I mean by like finding just all these Origins in what's it called? In TJ Maxx. It was crazy. So basically it looks like this. It's like I said, it's a facial cleansing brush, and I love the color, and I liked it. It was only like $2, so I'm like, okay, why not? I'm already buying all these things. Let me just add this. So basically it's for the face. You just use it as a brush and kind of just, you know, when you're cleansing your face, trying to get some dirt off your face, you use that. I'm so excited about. I'm like super excited about it. I will actually open it with you guys right now. So basically this is a MAC makeup bag, and I could not leave this behind, first of all, because it's big and it's MAC, and it was only $5. I was like, okay, I can't leave this. So basically it looks like that. I will open it with you guys to see what it is, how it looks like inside. Well, I kind of already saw how it looks like, to be honest. There was one that was there that was already opened, but yeah. So it basically just says like MAC on the side over here, and then you open it. It's pretty big, which I love. There's obviously just this stuff, and then inside it's just like that. It has a little pocket thing, and it has a little MAC card in there, and I just like it. I like how big it is. The thing that really attracted me about it was like this little handle thing. I don't know why, but I like that it had a little handle, and I also like that it says MAC all over it. And I really like the size. For $5, I think that's really a steal. This would probably be what, 30 bucks just for this simple MAC bag, and I think it's so cute. And I already have a MAC bag, but it's so tiny, so I really like it. And you guys won't believe what I found. Tory Burch perfume. Guys, what? I have to show you. And the set was already there, guys, in a beautiful set. Because you know how sometimes they have the sets for the perfumes and stuff. So they had a Tory Burch set for the perfume. I was like, is this my lucky day or what? Like, I'm like, do people not see all this stuff? But to be honest, there was a lot of people, so I probably missed out on some even better stuff. But yeah, so there's this Tory Burch Love Relentlessly perfume, and it smells so good. I definitely had to like see if it smelled good before I got it. So basically the set looks like that. So it comes with I think it's a roll-on, yeah, roller ball, and then the spray. So I like roller-on. Sometimes you just put in your purse and then you just have to like put it on the side, and it's 100 milliliters, right? And I think that's such a good amount for perfume. I have a lot of different perfumes, but they're running out, so I was just like, you know what, this is on sale, might as well get it. Because it smells good, first of all, and also I love the packaging. It's so pretty, and I love perfumes, so I guess this will be my perfume, because I wanted, if you guys watch my Christmas list video, I wanted the Marc Jacobs Daisy perfume for Christmas, but I ended up getting this because it was on sale. So I'm like, I might not get that other one because I already got this. I don't know. But you guys, guess how much this is? How much I got it for, at least. So I got this for 60 bucks, guys. A Tory Burch perfume for 60 bucks. Where do you see that? Where? I don't see that anywhere. Either way, so the market price, retail price for this, I think is like $112. So literally, basically, half price. So, and it's a real Tory Burch. It's not like the fake or anything like that. Let's go. This one is separate. I want to show you guys one more thing that I got, but this one was not from TJ Maxx. This was actually, I was going thrifting. I went thrifting just to see if there was anything interesting. I didn't find anything really super interesting, but this one thing that I saw, I'm just like, I have to share it with you guys because I know a lot of people, they say like they go thrifting and then they don't find things that they like. I went thrifting and guys, look at this bag. What in the world? It is so nice, and like literally it came in really good condition, and it was only $5 at the thrift store. Guys, this is like real leather, literally like very vintagey, very fashiony, stylish. I love it. I had to just show you guys. I know it's not part of the TJ Maxx stuff, but I just had to show you guys. Like, isn't it so cute? So don't be afraid to go thrifting. You might find something very nice. And I found this bag and I'm in love with it. And yes, so yeah, so that is all the things that I got, guys. I love doing hauls. I hope you guys enjoy this haul. And yeah, so this was the first video for December. I'm so excited to do this daily videos for you guys for the month of December. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to do it, but wish me luck, and thank you so much, DBRIGHT Squad, for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow with a new video. Like crazy, right? Okay, bye guys.